my name is Adam, and I'm an instructor pilot at CAE. I'm here to share with you how to use ActiveReader, CAE's digital library app. It's what you're going to use to access your training content. ActiveReader is one of the most important resources that you will use throughout your training with us here at CAE. So let's see how it works. Once you're registered to CAE Crew Training, you'll be prompted to download ActiveReader to access your training material. Open the app and log in with the same username and password you used to access CAE Crew Training. If you are unable to access the ActiveReader, just select Forgot Password. After you select Forgot Password, you'll get an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Contact your client account owner or account executive for help if you're still having issues. ActiveReader is also available on the web. You can access it at www.singlestorefront.com/CAE. Note that ActiveReader cannot be accessed on multiple devices at the same time. For example, if you access the app on your tablet and then decided to log in using your desktop via a web browser, that the tablet session will end, and you'll then have to log back in on the desktop browser. Your bookshelf contains all of your training content. Training content is displayed as icons, which can either be folders or files. Information on each folder or file is available by tapping the gray eye icon below it. Here, you'll be able to view the date the content was uploaded, the size and the version of the file, the subscription validity date, and finally, an option to delete the file from the device's internal memory. Once you're satisfied with the folder or the file's information window, click the gray X in the top right corner of the window to close the preview. If you'd like to sort your bookshelf by document name or date, touch the 3 little white dots in the top right-hand corner of your screen. If the file names of your documents are truncated, you can also change the view from tile view to list view, displaying the full file name of your documents. With the ActiveReader app, you can access your training content offline. Content can be downloaded to the device for offline access by clicking the gray downward arrow. Once the content is downloaded, the gray recycling or trash bin is clicked to remove the content from offline access. To ensure you can view the content on your bookshelf anytime, select the black circle on the top right document and download it to your device. If you'd like to download all your documents, select the black circle in the bottom left of your screen and choose to download all documents. We suggest to download larger file sizes individually prior to using the download all option. If you'd like a hard copy of the material, non-copyrighted documents can be printed from the ActiveReader website. Just select the print icon to print your entire notebook. If you want to print a specific page from the document, click the arrow on the far left side of the screen. If you have permission to print, select the print icon. Most training centers are equipped with a business center. Ask customer service for support. Bookmarking your document allows you to remember where you were and easily pick up where you left off the next time you use ActiveReader. Select the bookmark icon, name your bookmark, and click Save. When you're ready to view the bookmark, click the notebook and select the bookmark tab. Right next to the bookmark icon, you'll see 2 arrows. This is your go-to page tool. This tool is helpful if you'd like to jump to a specific page in the document quickly. Simply enter the page number. Hyperlinks and bookmarks allow you to efficiently navigate large documents. Due to OEM restrictions, however, some documents do not have on-screen hyperlinking or bookmarking available. A simple way to tell if bookmarks are available is by selecting the bookmark icon, and you'll notice that bookmarks are not editable as they were built into the body of the files. On-screen hyperlinking, when available, allows you to select a chapter or a page reference and navigate directly to that reference by selecting the on-screen hyperlink. Annotating documents allows you to make your own personalized notes so you can easily reference them later. These notes can be text notes, audio notes, and even video notes. To get started, Choose and download a document from your bookshelf. To annotate a document using the note feature, long press the bottom right-hand corner of your screen for the note options to appear. You'll see 4 different icons. Let's start with the first, a text note. Select the square with a T inside. Save to keep your work. That note will remain on your screen. For every note, you can go back and edit the note by clicking in the box. You can also resize, edit, and delete a note at any time. Next is a text bubble. The difference between a text bubble and a text box is text bubbles close and your note is stored for preview at a later time. Text bubbles have additional opens too, like view, move, share, and delete. Next is an audio note. Tap wherever you'd like the audio note to live within the document, and once you're finished with the recording, you can save the note with a name. This note allows you to listen, you can move it, you can share, or delete the note. The last note type, video notes, are the same as audio notes. Click the 4 lines in the top left-hand corner of your screen. You'll see all these notes you just made are also stored here for you to easily access at any time. You can search for a keyword by typing directly into the white bar with the magnifying glass. There are a few more tools we have to mention. Hop back into a downloaded document on your bookshelf. You'll see 3 drawing tools: highlight, freehand draw, and the line draw. The tool you'll probably use the most is the highlight tool. Long press the highlighter to show more options. From there, you can also adjust the thickness or select a different color. If you don't like where you highlighted, just select the undo arrow in the bottom left-hand corner. There's also a redo arrow. These can be used with any annotation tool. Active Reader also allows you to open 2 documents at the same time. For example, if you'd like to open your aircraft's panel art, you can do exactly that by following these simple steps. Open the first document. In this case, let's open the Gulfstream 550 panel art. Now, select the Documents icon in the upper right-hand corner. This page shows you all of the documents available to you within your Active Reader account. You can search for your document or scroll and manually search for your document. Let's search for a G550 manual and select the Pilot's Checklist. I have now both documents open and can navigate and annotate both of these documents at the same time. Navigating the document is as easy as swiping left or right, up and down. To annotate your document, click the pencil icon in the upper left-hand corner of the document you'd like to annotate. Annotations are performed as described previously and will sync across all of your devices. And there you have it. We hope Active Reader will support you with your training experience. If you need any help or assistance, please see the CAE team for more information and help. Thank you again for choosing us at CAE to be your training partner of choice. Have a great day.